Endurance is the parameter by which a truly trained athlete is determined. This is an indicator that all systems in the body work clearly, smoothly, and ergonomically. Ultimately, endurance is more important than huge muscles. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly increase your endurance. So, watch the video till the end. It will be interesting. Let's go. What is endurance? Most often, the endurance of the organism is understood as its ability to perform some work for the maximum time, without reducing the intensity, and without losing working capacity. There are general and special endurance. General endurance is everything that concerns your daily life, the ability to perform daily tasks and work without tiring. Special endurance is the ability to endure specific loads. For example, weightlifting, running, swimming. Special endurance is subdivided into speed, strength, and coordinating endurance. General endurance is the base upon which special endurance is built. Ideally, training in the gym should develop both types of endurance in you. Increase your workouts' intensity. The easiest way to increase your endurance, if you're into weight training, is to increase the intensity of your workouts. This can be achieved by increasing the number of exercises in one workout, increasing the number of repetitions in each case, increasing the weight, and reducing the rest time between sets. The main advice here, increase the intensity should be moderate and gradual. A step in increasing the weight should not exceed 2.5 kilograms in isolating exercises and 5 kilograms in basic exercises. Set priorities. You cannot increase the intensity of your workout at once, in all points. If you are more interested in developing strength, endurance, and coordinating endurance, focus on increasing working weights. If you are more interested in speed, and general endurance, go the route endurance of reducing the rest time between sets and increasing repetitions in one exercise. High-intensity interval training. Interval training is one of the most effective ways to increase general and special endurance. The essence of interval training is the alternation of short stretches of intense work and rest. Take the Tabata protocol as a guide, a system where 20 seconds of work are replaced by 10-second pauses. The standard Tabata cycle consists of 8 20-second rounds. As endurance and adaptation to training increase, the number of rounds can be increased indefinitely. Alternating periods of maximum activity and rest is much more effective in accelerating metabolism, burning calories, strengthening the heart muscle, and increasing overall endurance. This training plan is ideal if your goal is to lose weight. Along with the development of endurance, Tabata burns fat perfectly, and does it within 1 or 2 days after you have completed your workout. This is how the body reacts to the stress received by the rapid alternation of exercise and rest. Aerobic exercise running at a moderate pace for 25 to 30 minutes is another effective way to increase overall endurance. It is suitable for those people who avoid weight training. Start your running workouts by walking, including 1 minute of light jogging for every 3 to 4 minutes of walking. Increase the ratio of walking to running in favor of the latter by 10% every week. Bring the time of continuous running to 30 minutes. The pace of the run should remain light. You must not choke. Once you can run for half an hour without a break, make it harder by including 1 to 2 minutes fast bursts in your run. Don't like running? Replace it with swimming, cycling, walking outdoors at a fast pace. All types of aerobic activity will strengthen the cardiovascular system and lungs, normalize weight, and at the same time increase the general endurance. Here are some more tips to increase your endurance. To increase endurance, you need to supply the body with nutrients. Eat right, take vitamins, eat vegetables, give up fast food and sweets or limit their use. For example, leaving 1 day a week when you can eat junk food. The advice sounds trite, but the facts are as follows. The body 1 TB, able to increase endurance. If you DNT, give it the resources to do so. Follow the daily routine. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time. Sleep at least 8 hours a day. Fatigue and stress are the enemies of your endurance. Get rid of them. Make your workouts more varied. Introduce elements of novelty into them. Train with a high number of sets and reps. Learn new moves. Rope climbing, heavy ball throwing, sprinting. Be consistent. Make training part of your routine. Avoid long breaks in training. It has been proven that rest from exercise hits endurance the most. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.